If you're a night owl, then you need to check out these 5 cities with insane nightlife. Let's dive in. First up, Ibiza, Spain. This Mediterranean paradise is the epitome of partying. World-class clubs, stunning beaches, and a non-stop party atmosphere. Ibiza is where the night never ends. Next, we jet over to Las Vegas, USA. The City of Lights is an adult playground with countless bars, clubs, and entertainment options. From rooftop parties to casino floors, Vegas is always buzzing. Heading to Europe, we land in Berlin, Germany. Berlin's nightlife is diverse and electric. Think underground clubs, rooftop bars, and historic venues. It's a mix of the old and the new that's totally unique. Now let's fly to Bangkok, Thailand. This bustling city is a nightlife haven with bars, clubs, and street food stalls galore. The energy here is off the charts and the nights are as vibrant as the days. Finally, we arrive in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Famous for its carnival, Rio offers a vibrant party scene year-round. Stunning beaches, samba rhythms, and endless celebrations make Rio a must-visit. There you have it, 5 cities with nightlife that never sleeps. Which one will you party in next? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips.